Now that you have decided to buy the premium version of the Grammarly, it's a great decision. Here's how you have to follow these few simple steps to purchase the Grammarly from their website. I have given the link in the description. It should be somewhere in the first or second line. Click on that link. That link will take you to this page. This is the Grammarly homepage. On the top, they always suggest that you download their extension for your browser. It is free. You can add it into your browser. But to buy the premium version of the Grammarly, you have to come to the bottom of the page. In the Learn More tab, you would see here the plans. Click on this plans. Here they will show you the free, premium and business comparison. Since we have already made our decision, so we'll just click the Get Started in the premium column. If you've not already created an account in the free version of the Grammarly, it will question you to create an account. You will have to create an account. It is just a one-click action. You can do it with your Facebook or Apple ID, or you can also sign in with your Google account. So just click on any one of them and sign in, or you can create it with your email. So after you have created an account, you will be taken to this page where you have to choose your plan, whether you want to pay monthly, on quarterly or annual basis. The pricing is in front of you. Monthly you have to pay $30 per month. Quarterly you will be saving 33% and you will be paying $20 per month. And if you buy their annual plan, which is the most popular plan, you will be saving up to 60%, whereby you will be just paying $12 a month. So I would also recommend that you buy this annual plan, and if you've decided to do that, click on the select. Now you will be taken to the page where you have to do the payment. There are two options. Either you can do the payment with the PayPal account if you have that and you have the money in this account, or you can give the credit card number and you can do the payment with the help of your credit card. As you can see that these credit cards, Visa, Master, American Express and the Discover, these credit cards are eligible for payment. You can just fill in the details and you would just do the checkout and you would be able to buy the plan. Just remember that this $12 a month, you will have to do the payment for the whole year, which is $144, which comes out to be $12 a month. Seeing these pricing plan, if you still think that the Grammarly premium is costly, I have made a video earlier in which I have explained how you can use the premium version for free, which I have explained in this video. Do go and watch that video, and you would find some good tip in which you would be able to use this premium version totally for free.